So how do you really add filters on this thing? Let me try. I need to make it a little interesting, I'm going to save this live. So it's currently, oh man, 16:16. Oh wow, that's beautiful. Wednesday, 30th June 2021. And I'm going to save this live for my future self, okay? And I was about to write my Q3 goals. I want them to be just simple, which is smart, okay, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and time-based. Okay, so I don't have the time-based because I was just like doing it on my laptop right now. It's also cold in Kenya. Yeah, I am Kenyan. I live in Nairobi. But it's also cold. It's like winter in Kenya. So I got an opportunity to go sit outside with my laptop, and so I decided to write it on my laptop. I am still going to write them here because I need to print this out. I need to frame this somewhere. So obviously it's going to be a little more specific and time-based and all of that stuff. So this is what I have here for my Q3 goals. This is on my every day. I have a journal where I write everything that happens on my laptop, on my Google Docs, because I feel like I can lose my books, I can lose everything, but I am really documenting my journey for my future generations. So this is how it looks like. Every day I have to come here and write this, but today we are talking about my Q3 goals. Really, really simple. So this is studying every single day, which I have been doing, and I'm so proud of how much I actually achieved in what's this month? I actually achieved in June. I really did show up for myself. I showed up, I showed out, and I love it. But it's so simple. I'm going to read it out. It's studying every day, back testing during the weekend, forward testing, and just like remembering like there is no substitute for hard work. Okay, so I really do have to put in the work. It's a lot of people canceling hard work nowadays, but for me, I still believe like hard work is the only way you become successful. And the other thing is working every single day. You see, like in 2019, November actually, I started my YouTube journey, and I've just been slacking. I did so great within the first year, but I didn't really think that COVID was going to hit, and I was ready. I quit my job last year in February, and it's just been crazy. Anyway, the story for another day. But so the thing is, I feel so beastie inside. I'm not even going to lie. I just feel like I'm ready. I feel ready. I feel beastie. I feel like I'm ready to take my power back. And this is the time that I'm going to like just go beast. I'm not going crazy with anything as of now yet, but the other thing is working out every day. Like for me, my health and my mental health are a big priority for me. So when I run every day, I feel like it really helps me with my emotional health and just being mentally strong. And obviously I haven't like done so in this month. I started my workout journey. Is it, what do you call it? What do you call exercising? I don't know how you call it in English is like my fourth language, so I'm just here trying. And also skipping rope every single day in the morning. It really helps me a lot. The other thing is food. Tracking what I eat is so important for me. As much as I don't consume junk food so much, but I feel like I still have a little way to go. And yeah, the other thing is my earnings. I need to take this thing from stuck at $400 why to at least, I'm not complaining I'm making $400 because I don't know, I just don't work as much anymore, but I'm going to actually go beast, but see what's going to happen. My battery. so it's making 1k dollars a month. That's around like 100 Kenyan shillings, 100,000 Kenyan shillings. I'm just like, just please don't make any noise, I'm on a live. And savings, save $100 a month for general savings. Thank you. And emergency fund. For my emergency fund, sorry, I'm getting distracted. It's save $100 a month again for my emergency fund, and for total savings it's $200. Sinking fund not included, and also for travel. It's such a big part of my life. So it's like visit a new place this quarter, which is in like 3 months, so 90 days, and doing a fun activity like hiking or any adventure, and also learn how to swim in September. I think September is a good time because paying for swimming classes is like $200 for 12. I don't know if I'll find a better deal, but yeah, obviously I shall fix that in my budget, and that is all. I don't have any more thing. Yeah, that's it. I'm just going to write all this down, and yeah, we shall see how it goes by the end of September. Bye. And okay,